Kapag sinusumpong po kayo ng anxiety nyo, pwede nyo pong gawin ito. Yan po, no? Pagdikitin nyo yung mga fingers nyo, then, try to do this. Effective po yan, especially kapag meron po kayong panic attack. Kasi po, it is very mindful. Kailangan po dikit na dikit ito pong mga fingers ninyo. Kahit po mga 10 times, 15 times, pwede po yan. Coupled with deep breathing, yung pong tinuro ko, 4, 7, and 8 technique. Ulitin po natin. Sige po, sit straight. It's 4, inhale. And 7, hold your breath. Inhale po pala through your nose, ha? Then hold your breath for 7 counts. And then exhale. Exhale through your mouth. Pwede rin po, gawin niyo po ito. This is what we call the butterfly technique. At itap niyo po, pwede po kayong pumikit. Tapos mag-deep breathing. Then, gawin niyo po ito. Hopefully po nakatulong.